na nigoto guchaka na roboti kurwa ase ebunge nene asiri tukulia lero omujumbe ebunge ya Bobasi omoske Innocent Obiri Mwanyi airali bagali yake bene kumwatura kumunyura na kumulera nyagosira Andrew Rosana kananga oyo kabere omujumbe bwebunge ya Basi Machoge gusema Machoge Bas chingaki Bobasi na Machoge ya bwataine kurwa mwaka bwechiribu wasomwaka bweliwe ya mochi mikianda na 50 na ibere 1974 wika 1979 asanyara kaba agakumutogia huna omuntu akorete emirimo miya kubwa muno ase abwatarantiku no koigorwa kwe factory ya Nyamachi na boige factory ya Ogembo okoigorwa gwe skuru aho na boigo ogochake gwa wepara enene ya Kisii na nigo omosike kananga asiretie omubwaye lituko lya chitariki 19 chomotinyoyo.
Mr. Speaker, I wish to make a statement on the passing on of Honorable Andrew Nyananga Rosana, who was formerly a Member of Parliament for Bobasi Machoge. Honorable Speaker, pursuant to Standing Order 259D2, I rise with a heavy heart to pay a glowing tribute to the late Honorable Andrew Nyananga Rosana, former Member of Parliament for the then Bobasi Machoge constituency between 1974 and 1979. Honorable Speaker, the late Honorable Andrew Nyananga Rosana passed away on Thursday, 19th November 2024, at the age of 85 years. His passing is a profound loss to his family, friends, and the community he served with unwavering dedication and commitment. The late Honorable Rosana was born on the 4th of August 1939. He will be remembered for his tireless efforts to improve the lives of his constituents through numerous transformative initiatives. Among his remarkable achievements was the initiation of the Kisii Road project in 1978, which was completed in 1982. And greatly enhanced connectivity in the region. He also spearheaded the establishment of Ogembo and Nyamachi tea factories, fostering economic growth for tea farmers in the area. Additionally, the late Honorable Rosana was instrumental in the development of critical infrastructure, including Sameta water projects constructed by Isako Company, whose water tanks still stand as a testament to his vision. He also oversaw the construction of the Rosana Bridge near the Nyamokenya area, a critical project that addressed the history of tragic accidents in the region. Honorable Speaker, Honorable Nyananga's passion for education was evident in his role in initiating several Harambee schools, many of which were later adopted by the government, which include Bishop Mugeni Nyakegogi Secondary, Nyagiki SDA, Nyamachi Secondary School, Nyamawa High School, Vionseri High School, and his personal project of Kenyerere High School, among others. Beyond his development contribution, Honorable Rosana served diligently on the Catering Committee and Speakers Committee, demonstrating his commitment to Parliamentary Service Commission and national progress. Honorable Speaker, on behalf of this House, I extend our deepest condolences to the family of the late Honorable Rosana Nyananga, his friends, the people of Bobasi and the Machoge constituency, and the entire nation. As we mourn his loss, may we draw inspiration from his extraordinary life of service and dedication to humanity. May his soul rest in eternal peace, and may his family